We have workers replaced by automation, emphasizing job displacements. The increasing prevalence of automation has led to job displacements, as machines and technology take over tasks traditionally performed by workers. This shift impacts various industries, causing concerns about unemployment and economic stability. Efforts to address this challenge include reskilling workers for roles that complement automation, fostering innovation in emerging sectors, and developing policies to ensure a smooth transition in the workforce. The dynamic between technological advancement and employment remains a critical aspect of contemporary economic discussions, prompting a need for adaptive strategies to mitigate the effects of job displacements caused by automation. This is a futuristic cityscape with advanced skyscrapers. In this futuristic cityscape, advanced skyscrapers are likely to have a profound impact on human life and nature. The integration of cutting-edge technologies could enhance efficiency, connectivity, and sustainability. Smart infrastructure might optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and create a seamless urban experience. However, challenges may arise in terms of privacy concerns, social inequalities, and potential environmental consequences. Striking a balance between technological progress and ethical considerations will be crucial for ensuring that these advancements positively impact both human life and the natural environment. In essence, the futuristic cityscape's impact depends on how well society navigates the opportunities and challenges posed by these advanced technologies. Next is we have a tree with interconnected roots, representing unity. The unity represented by the intertwined roots within human cultures creates a cooperative atmosphere that is favorable to advancement. It promotes teamwork, information sharing, and resource sharing, which spurs creativity and technical breakthroughs. People's connections with each other form a support system that helps societies advance in fields like science, technology, and social development. Essentially, the metaphor of a tree with intertwined roots is a potent representation of the spirit of cooperation that fosters developments in human cultures and inspires creative thinking toward a sustainable cohabitation with nature. Lastly, we have deforestation with devastated ecosystems. Deforestation devastates ecosystems by removing vital habitats, disrupting biodiversity, and upsetting ecological balance. Clearing forests for agriculture or logging harms plant and animal species, impacting pollination, water cycles, and nutrient cycling. Deforested areas suffer from soil erosion, climate disruptions, and harm to local communities. Long-term consequences include reduced resilience to climate change and loss of resources. Addressing deforestation requires sustainable practices, reforestation, and policies to preserve ecosystem, emphasizing the interconnectedness vital for a balanced coexistence.